My beloved ones, let me share some wisdom from the heart when it comes to finding peaceful slumber. There are gentle natural remedies that can help you drift into dreamland, but I must emphasize the importance of caution, especially if you are taking any prescription or over-the-counter sleep medications. Always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure these remedies won't clash with your current treatments. Now, let's explore some of the soothing sleep aids that have stood the test of time. 5-HTP is a remarkable supplement that encourages the production of serotonin in the brain, paving the way for a tranquil night's rest. For best results, take 100 mg approximately an hour before bedtime. Valerian is renowned for its sleep-inducing properties, thanks to the presence of calming chemicals called valipotriates. A dose of 600 mg about an hour before bedtime can work wonders. Aromatherapists adore lavender for its power to induce relaxation and peaceful sleep. Spritz a bit on your pillow, add a few drops to a pre-slumber bath, or simply take a deep inhale from the bottle to soothe your soul into sweet dreams. Passion flower mimics sedatives, which is why it's a common ingredient in European over-the-counter sleep aids. A dose of 4,000 mg approximately an hour before bedtime can be quite effective. Calcium and magnesium collaborate to relax the nervous system. Consider taking 1,500 mg of calcium and 750 mg of magnesium about an hour before bedtime to experience their calming effect. Melatonin is a hormone produced by the pineal gland that regulates our sleep-wake cycle. As we age, its levels tend to decline, making a supplement a helpful option. A dose of 0.3 mg about an hour before bedtime can be beneficial. Now, if you find yourself wrestling with insomnia for more than a few weeks, or if it begins to take a toll on your physical or mental well-being, do not hesitate to seek guidance from your doctor. They will review your medications and may even recommend a consultation with a sleep specialist if needed. Remember, my cherished ones, a restful night's sleep is the cornerstone of our health and happiness. Don't be afraid to seek help when sleep eludes you. Sleep well, and may your dreams be as sweet as a lullaby.